Hey everyone! Today, we're checking out one of the most advanced pool robots of 2025, the Aiper Scuba S1 robotic pool cleaner. If you're ready to ditch manual scrubbing and enjoy spotless pool days, this upgraded Aiper model could be the best investment for your summer. The Scuba S1 is Aiper's 2025 flagship pool robot, designed for total pool coverage, from floor to walls to waterline, with a strong battery, smart navigation, and app control. And yes, it's completely cordless. Wall and waterline cleaning. The Scuba S1 doesn't just clean your pool floor, it climbs walls and scrubs along the waterline for a spotless finish. Double filtration system. Dual filter cartridges capture fine debris and larger leaves separately, keeping your pool crystal clear and your filters clog-free longer. Extended 180-minute battery life. Get up to 3 hours of cleaning on a single charge, ideal for medium to large pools without interruption. Smart navigation technology. Advanced gyroscope and sensors map out efficient cleaning routes, ensuring no missed spots or wasted passes. App support and OTA upgrades. Control your cleaner right from your phone, schedule cleanings, check battery life, and get firmware updates automatically over the air. All-in-one cleaning power, floors, walls, and waterline coverage. Long battery life means fewer recharges and more pool time. Smart app and OTA updates keep the robot improving over time. Premium price point, you're paying for top-tier features. Slightly heavy to lift out of the water, especially when full of debris. The Aiper Scuba S1 2025 upgrade is one of the smartest, most powerful robotic pool cleaners on the market. It scrubs your pool from top to bottom, lasts hours on a single charge, and keeps getting smarter with updates. If you're serious about a sparkling clean pool without the work, this is your go-to. Check it out now on Amazon, link in the description or tap here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart home and pool tech reviews. See you in the next one.